I am a sense of self-spirit animal, the wolf of intuition. I help you tap into your inner alpha of knowing so you can embrace the empathetic, balanced, and protective nature inside of you. With deep awareness and surrender to the current moment, I reveal answers to your life's questions. You may not trust me because I am not obvious or trained. At first, you may not recognize the difference between your mental conditioning and inner wisdom. I invite you to get curious. That is part of the journey. To learn, experiment, and embrace your natural instincts. I am beyond form, transcending nice and mean, good or bad, right and wrong. When I am judged, you silence my channel of communication. My messages are subtle and come through in different ways. I am gentle, yet insistent. I communicate through synchronicities, gentle thoughts, knowingness, dreams, and feelings within your body, like jolts of anger when something isn't right for you, and truth bumps on your skin when it is. You will cycle through many perspectives, environments, and people throughout your personal growth journey. However, you possess an innate understanding of the needs of yourself relative to others. When the time comes to make a decision, you need only to soften your body and allow my consciousness, designed and assigned specifically for your benefit, to bring clarity to any confusion. If you choose to surrender and follow me, I will take you where you will feel most fulfilled.